Hello everybody, my name is Anna and I am not so tired today. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna be playing, wait, oh crap, I just realized I've been playing this game. I've been playing it for, oh my god, I just been playing for 3 hours, like, what? But anyways, I'm gonna be playing, oh wait, I've been playing this for 2 hours? Wow. I wanna see how long I was playing Among Us. 7 hours, crap. 9! Oh my god. Okay, yeah, never. I'm gonna be playing FNAF. Still okay. Oh my god. I've been playing Ultimate Customize, so yeah, let's just get on to it. As now on, I am in the game. Anyways, how do I move this? Yep, right, that. But anyways, at least the audio's not here. I never tried at all. Ever tried any of the moving ones. All I did to get these 800 points is do this, where is it here? Then I did, where is the animatronic? Well, this is not really an animatronic, I just have it. And I added this. And where is here? Should I? Nah. Okay, yeah, I'll do it next round. Is that all? Yep, that's all. They're only all the ones I only have. So I just look at the keys. I understand this now. So, wait. Power C monitor as closed left door. I'm not gonna need that. I clearly no. I guess I've been playing this for a while now, so I'm grand. Let's just get into it. Why did it lock me out of the game? I'm just gonna play it again. That was weird, strange. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna get the same people up to 20. Cause like, why not? That's really it. Yep. Yeah. Okay. Let's do this. Hopefully now it lets me and not lock me out of the game. Here we are. Basically, it's all as normal. How am I wasting battery? How do I? Oh crap! I forgot that bear. There, and another thing I have to do is ventilation. Oh yes. Okay. I'm quite good at Toy Chica, Toy Bunny, and all the rest. Oh crap! Ventilation. One of them has to come up right now, I think. Oh, can't forget about you. Oh, funny. Lipstick. What's wrong? My ventilation's not bad. Yep, I messed up. Oh yes. Oh crap, my ventilation. Huh. Hopefully I make it.
Hey,
like really do.
I want to tell you something.
Hopefully that. Oh my god. Ugh, so annoying. I don't need the count this much, really, because I'm not looking at any animatronic outside. Oh, crap, I forgot. That was a quick move. I don't know if I'm talking loud enough or not, because I can't hear myself right now. Okay. I don't know what the raspberry mask does, or whatever it is. Sorry, I need to drink. Oh no, what? Oh no. My ventilation. Crap. That was a. I could have died there. All I need is Z, C, and my mouse. What? Yeah, please, ventilation. What? How's... What am I using a lot? I don't know. But I'm really gonna die. Oh my god, I'm gonna die! Oh my god, and I'm only... The fact I'm only on 3%. 3 a.m. only. Okay, 4 a.m. Okay. There's nothing else. Okay, it's either gonna be Toy Chica or Toy Bunny. I'm guessing Chica, because she always goes first. Right. Oh, it was Bunny. I did not know that. Well, that was a good game, I guess. Yep, I don't care. How do I... Okay, there, anyways. So that, somehow my... Okay, I could have won 1,000 there. What stopped me? Okay, so I'm gonna, set on 0 for now. I'm gonna do my favorite animal training. So I like Circus Baby, I like Ballora. I hate Freddy, I'm not doing it ugly. Yeah, I like... No, I don't. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna play with you. Yep, there. I like Enter. I'm sorry. Yeah. I don't like Foxy as much, but I guess I can add to him. Should I? Okay, I'm just gonna do... Yeah, I'm just gonna... He will gradually leave Pirate's Cove if you don't check him regularly once he's out. Yep, I'm not doing that. Anyways, let's go. I didn't check how much points I can win for this. Crap. Probably not a lot, but okay. Wait. Oh. Oh, system. How do I hear for Ballora? Okay. Yep, I know what she uses. Me? Nobody. Wait, I have to... Camera system. One of these rooms. But did I not reset? But did I not put... What the hell? That made no sense.
The others are like animals.
Shut up, I don't care.
But
Okay, I'm gonna redo that. That was weird. Wait, what room is she in? Is she in room 8? Okay, I'm gonna do that. I just forgot about her. Nope, she's not in room 8. How much coins do I have? I have 0. I gotta buy a push trap from her. If I need to. There. Oh my god. What room is Mirnet, or whatever her name is? Where is her thing? I don't see her, oh yeah, there! Blind music box. Right there. Not surprised. Crap. I don't know, how do I... What the heck? I hate you.
Looks like something bad
I don't care.
happened.
Shut up. You ruined my game. Okay, I'm just gonna set all to 20. Let's see. Oh god, how lovely to see all your bright faces. I'm probably not gonna do this because I don't know half of the things. What if I just... There. What the hell? Oh, shut up. I don't care. Anyways, that's it. I'm not playing another game. Shut up! Anyways, I'm not playing another game because this is kind of stupid. I don't know why. It just is. Right there. So, if you enjoyed, I guess, yeah. I hate you. Yep, I hate you. So that's it for the rest of the day. I might make another video. I don't know. Well, see ya.